Leadership isn't about a title. It's about clarity, purpose, and the impact you make every day. This workshop, Discovering Your Leadership Brand and Increasing Your Impact, is hands-on and powerfully designed to help you uncover what truly drives you as a leader. In just 3.5 hours, we'll dive deep into the framework of who you are, what you're chasing, and the rules you play by, which is the foundation of not only how you lead, but how you live your life. Your unique strengths and blind spots with a practical Myers-Briggs assessment, and uncover your leadership philosophies. What are the thoughts that shape how you think and how you show up on a daily basis? But this isn't just about insight, it's about action. You'll walk away with a customized leadership plan that gives you clear, practical steps to lead with greater confidence and impact. So, are you ready to define your leadership brand and step into the impact you were made for? If so, sign up and let's do this work together.